Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to show you guys real quick a new AI tool out there that is revolutionizing onboarding of new employees, new teammates for if you're an entrepreneur, your small business or whatever, and you don't have the capacity to have a trainer to pay a trainer to come in, and you don't have the capacity to have a trainer to pay a trainer to come in and constantly training new people or etc. This new site is awesome. The only downside that I can see is the fact that while it records your screen, it does not record audio. So that's the only downside that I see to it. But I just want to show you guys real quick how it works. And I'm just going to click on the video that's going to go through explaining how it works. See here, this person is just doing what they normally would do in Salesforce, showing how to set up Salesforce. And they're just going about their normal everyday tasks, utilizing Salesforce, setting up a new contact. And what it's doing is it's recording all of the screens that they're going to and clicking on, so that when a new person comes on board, your senior employee or manager or whatever doesn't have to take the time to actually show this person live and in action, because all they have to do is watch this video recording of how to set up a new contact within the Salesforce system, for example, in this little short video. And there you have it. It recorded all of these scenes, all of the things that she's on here, export, etc. And it will create it's going to create a video, like I said. So you see here, it's just showing how to do the onboarding. So this is going to reduce your time that you need to spend by over 93% utilizing this website. It's called scribehow.com. All right. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and make sure you share this video. Thank you so much.